What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope everyone is having an amazing morning and their day is going well. In this video we're going to talk about Xpeng and we're going to break it down for you guys. Now before we get into the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment on this video because it really helps my channel out, and I do truly appreciate all the support you have been giving me. Now if you want to see a specific stock broken down like I do with these other stocks, just let me know in the comments below and I'll be more than happy to make that video for you. Now currently market's open. We are in the pretty early AM session over here on the East Coast. Now look at Xpeng. Look what it's doing, guys. So I charted this support out on my last video and I mentioned how this was going to be a key area. This was going to be a key area for Xpeng to be at. Now we noticed that it fell through support on Friday. However, guys, look what happened. Today we had this strong opening. We had this strong opening on Xpeng, and also we had the strong opening on Neo, but I'll make a separate video just for that because Neo deserves its own video. Now for the time being, let's talk about Xpeng. So we noticed that it broke through this old support that was the resistance. Now what could have happened was that it could have fell, it could have got rejected and fell, but this is a bullish sign for me on Xpeng. Now the reason why is because we blew through it and there's not too many sellers up here, guys. You notice that we didn't come crashing down and we're still hovering on the support, and the buyers are strong currently. We're still down about 8 cents, but that's where we recovered a lot. Look, we're actually going up a lot right now because look at that. Now anyways, we actually were down to $44 lows on Friday, so this is a huge recovery on Xpeng. So if you got in on Friday, you know, at the end of the day, whatever it may be on the dip, then congratulations, you are up. But like I said, going into the trading session for the rest of the day and also the rest of the week, guys, I'm going to tell you what you need to be paying attention to and how you should structure your trade. So right now, if you are long on Xpeng, this is a perfect entry. You can't get much better than this. It's right at support. Now this is how I structure my trade, guys. Remember, what's the thing we always have to have? A stop loss. So make sure you have that stop loss. Now my stop loss would be at this candle right here. It would be at the bottom of this candle, top of this candle. That's where I would structure my stop loss. So if it falls below that, you know, today, tomorrow, whatever it may be, I'm cutting it, getting out, because we're most likely heading back down because we've broken this support once again. But right now, we keep going up on stream right now. But the thing is, I want to see how this, do we continue this pattern. We're up 55 cents, but we've had that huge move from the lows on Friday. So we're actually like, technically, we're up like $5 because we did hit some pre-market highs, I think, earlier today. Now, going into the session today, like I was talking about, let's see how it reacts around the support. Now, don't be worried if that red candle does pop up and we get a retest back down to support. So don't worry about that, guys. That's what will most likely happen. We might see a red candle and we pull back down to the 48 range. So if that does happen, guys, do not panic. Don't worry. That's natural. We'll see some type of retest like back here. However, if we fall through support, again, like I said, cut your loss, wait to get back in. But my price target, my exit would be at this resistance, right? Because we recognize that this was a previous resistance. What typically happens at a resistance? We get rejected. So, see how it acts around this resistance. I'm going to be taking profit at the resistance if I was trading this. Now, many of you may be asking, well, what happens if we break support? Where are we going? I'll chart an area out where you could be looking at. This area right here would be a good area for dip buy just because we had some buying and selling activity here. Notice how that sellers tried to push it down, buyers came up. Same here. Sellers tried to push it down, buyers came up. So that would be a good dip buy. Notice how on this side though, buyers tried to push it up, sellers pushed it down. So that's why this would be a good support area to maybe look for a dip buy. So the 40.29 area, set your alert for that, because if we break this, that's the next support we're heading to, and that would be an amazing entry. But looks of it right now, Xpeng is doing amazing, guys. So if you're trading this, congratulations, you are up. But like I said, manage it. Now, if you're up from all the way at $44, $45, like I said in previous videos, if you haven't watched them or if you're a new viewer, have your trailing stop loss. So when I say trailing stop loss, move that stop loss up, guys. So when we do get those pullbacks, you do not give that profit back that you made. You'll give back some, but you won't give back, all that profit if you stopped out down here. So make sure to move that trailing stop loss up so you can maximize your profits even on pullbacks, because pullbacks will happen, guys. This won't go up forever. That pullback will happen, but right now Xpeng is doing an amazing job. Since I started this video, it's gone up almost $1. So like I said, this is on my #1 watch list for today and going for the rest of the week. And if you want me to, I will make a video on Neo, because it's doing the same thing, how I charted out the same support, and look where it goes, guys. So if you can recognize these levels, then trading becomes really easy for you. But still, you need to have that plan. That's what it's all about. Now, if you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate you putting a thumbs up on this video and also subscribing. And like I said in the beginning of this video, if you want to see a specific video, just let me know in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to make that video for you. Anyways, I will see you all in the next video.